Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of
What to Do.
Today, we're gonna go to the coolest, biggest hill that I know of in the Georgetown area.
I've been to hills in Lexington. They do not compare to this hill. This is Scott County's best kept secret when it comes to sledding hills.
This is what it looks like.
Wait, play that back again. Well, it was a 10-pointer. Would you believe it if we told you that now we are exhausted from walking up that hill? Anyone who invents some way to get up a hill without using a lot of energy, I will pay for that. Did he get back up? Did he survive? Like and subscribe to find out. But really, click that like button. He is. He's a good snowboarder. He became a professional last time. Let me say, sleds do not have shock absorbers. So even as a young kid, I would just kill my back on those slopes. So by the way, people who say that their backs are hurting and they're getting old, it happened to me when I was a kid, so you're not getting old. But here's the secret. Snow tubes. These guys absorb all of the shock. It's great. There are so many bumps on this slope that I probably would have killed my back on with the sled. But this snow tube pretty much absorbed all of those shocks. These guys get deflated a lot. So make sure you bring a pump with your snow tube and your sledding experience is gonna be 10 times better. Okay, they're scared because they're testing out my theory of how bad the sleds are compared to the tubes. So here we go. Let's see.
So what do you think, Cal?
It was so much fun. It was the best hill that I've sledded on, I think, ever. And I've sledded on a lot of hills.
So it's not even a community space, but they've opened it up to be a community space. And since they've been so nice to do that, we want to make sure that we keep it one of the nicest community spaces ever, because they're so nice about letting us come and sled. So the one thing I think I've seen the owner ask is no four-wheelers, because it's super dangerous, it's super slick, and sounds like a great idea.
But it's not.
It's dangerous, and I encourage other people to be dangerous. Here's the bonus tips. Take it away.
Okay, number one, bring shoes with traction. You can probably get them off of Amazon. That's where our friends got them, and they were very helpful, especially with snow that had been really tread down. It was basically like walking on ice. And the shoes with traction really help.
Bring a pump if you have any sort of inflatable.
Bring some snacks and some liquid because you're going to get hungry going up that hill 100 times. Is there anything else you're going to say?
I think I had a booger hanging on my nose.
Gross.
The sun's catching just perfectly.
Bring eye protection because that snow is going to go up in your face, and it's not fun if you don't have any sort of protection for your face, which you probably know that if you've done sledding before.
The snowboard is the coolest. The tubes are the slickest ride.
And least bumpy.
And the least bumpy. And the sleds are the most deadly.
And terrifying. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching our video. If you hit that like button, oh look, there's a snowmobile. Show them.
There it is.
Who has a
This
snowmobile?
guy has a
In Kentucky for
snowmobile. That's
one day,
awesome.
the one day in Kentucky that is. Alright guys, if you like our video and you want to help us out, let me tell you, it will help us so much if you like this video, you subscribe to this video, and you share it with your friends on Facebook, share it with your friends in person, and share it with your friends everywhere else that you can to get our name out there, because we're really trying to pump out some good videos for a lot of people.
There you go.
See ya!
Okay, so you might say, hey, Will, Kelly, that was a great video, but I have no idea where to go. Georgetown's a big place, and it could be anywhere. So, we put the coordinates in the description. So, you're gonna have to be like an adventure expert to find this
It's
place.
like geocaching.
It's like
By the
geocaching.
way, check out that video!
Woo! One of our most popular.